welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have another hair review for you guys, and this is from the hair company called CRANBERRY hair. So I'm just gonna unbox and show you guys what came in this box. They give this paper and it has the details of the hair. So the product name for this wig is CRANBERRY Wet and Wavy Wig Wine Red Deep Wave Burgundy. So it's a 13x4 T-part lace front wig with baby hair, 180% density, pre-plucked, and it's in the length 24 inches, but on their website they only have 14 inches at the moment. They provided a cute little bandeau. We also get a cute headband. Lastly, we have the wig. This is how the color of the wig looks. I really like the color, guys. The color is really nice. And this is the texture. I realized that the ends are really, what's the word, frizzy. Like, it looks trashy looking. Like, I'm sorry, but that's how it's looking. Inside this wig comes with 2 combs at the side. We also get 1 comb at the back. We also have adjustable straps at the back. Okay, so this is how the hairline looks on the sides. This is how it looks at the center. So to me, it doesn't appear pre-plucked. This is how wide the part is. Okay, so inside the wig, this is how the parting space is. I'm gonna spray the hair a little bit with some water. Alright, so I'm gonna start plucking the hairline. I'm just gonna spray the whole hair with some water. I'm gonna be using this mousse on the hair. I'm gonna alternate between using this mousse and the other mousse I showed you guys. So this is from L'Oreal. This one has more of a hold because I realized the texture for this hair is my oh my. Okay guys, so as you could see, I'm combing out the hair to show you guys. Like, I was actually thinking like maybe it's the mousse that's making the hair act up, because this mousse is an extra hold mousse. So I wasn't sure if that was the reason why the hair was knotting up as bad as it was. The hair in itself is really knotty, very knotty. Some got-to-be scoop spray and just let it part so it could lie just a little bit. Now I'm gonna just take some makeup to accentuate the parting space. Right guys, so this is the final look with this hair. So I did go back and put some gel to like kind of slick it down to kind of hide the lace a little bit more. So let me show you how high this hair, long this hair is on me. So the 24 inches, this I kind of curled up a little more, but roughly here. And at the back, let me show you guys how it is at the back. So this is the length at the back. But now I'm just gonna go straight into the pros and cons of this wig. My first pro is this wig is big head friendly. Another pro is I really like the color of this wig. The color is really nice. Another pro I could say is the texture is pretty, and another pro is that I would say it's an easy install. You don't need to use glue to lay this hair down. You just kind of plop it right on like you saw me do. I used some makeup in the parting and that was it. Now let's get into the cons of this wig. So my first con is that the knots came double wefted. So double wefted knots are bigger than single wefted knots, which means they're more visible, which means you're able to clock it's a wig. So I didn't like how the knots were double wefted, but like you guys saw, it's just a middle part I did, so it really wasn't that much of an issue. Another con for me is that this hair sheds. It sheds a good bit, guys, like too much. And another con is that this hair tangles. When I say it tangles, guys, it tangles. It be tangling like some synthetic wig kind of tangling, guys. Like, I was so shocked about this, the tangling of this wig. Like, I was so disappointed. I am disappointed in how bad this hair tangles, guys. I don't know if, like, in the clip I speed it up or what, but depending how I edit it, I'll see if I could show you guys how bad, like, the hair was tangling. Like, it was too bad. Initially I thought it was this causing it to tangle more, because this mousse is an extra hold. So I don't know if it's like I was combing through it and it started to dry, but then I went and tried to comb out a section of the hair that did not have no mousse applied to it at all, and still tangles. Maybe not as bad as the section with the mousse, but it tangled a lot. So yeah, they need to work on that. I'm not sure if I would say this is a con, but I wish they added like another comb in the center to make it much more secure, because I have a big forehead, so usually with my wigs I like to pull it down some more. Okay, but with this wig it keeps sliding. Like, it could only go so far and kind of slide back. I mean, if you use glue you wouldn't have an issue, but this is a glueless install. Anyway, another con is I did not like how this wig came straight out of the box. The ends were straggly, like it looked frizzy. I don't know if I would use the word trashy, but the ends were bad. As you guys saw in the clip in the beginning of the video, the ends are bad. So yeah, and when I saw that, I was thinking in my head, is this gonna be easy install? Is this wig gonna be good? But we had our issues with this wig, y'all. We had our issues. Let me show you guys, and let me show you guys the ends. So the ends don't look so bad that the mousse is applied to it, but when it came straight out of the box, not impressed. So that's it. And let me show you guys the parting. So disappointed in tangling, so disappointed. But I want to end this video by saying thank you, Cranberry Hair, for sending me this wig. Thank you guys for watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so you see when I got some review coming for you guys. It's really appreciated, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos, guys. Toodles.